Hey people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to explain how to fix your Samsung watch on turning on after a certain use. Imagine let's say you have used your watch for time to time and suddenly you see your watch get turned off and it's not turning back on. Now the question is how you can fix this issue. Well, you can do it, and let me go ahead and quickly show you how. Now the very first things you probably can try by just pressing and holding down your back button and the power button together unless or until you see that your Samsung logo boot up. Now if you even after doing this process, let's say you have done that and you still are not getting any results. Now the question is, how can you solve this problem from now on? Well, the next quick things I want you guys to take a look at is very simple, okay? Now just go ahead and charge your Samsung watch at least 20 to 30 minutes, okay? Very careful about that because you have to charge your device because sometimes that can happen because of the charge, okay? Now go ahead and charge it at least 20 to 30 minutes, and after that, while you're charging that, make sure to press and hold once again your back button and the power button together simultaneously unless you see your device boot up, okay? So now these are the things that you pretty much can try to fix this problem, and you'll be able to fix this problem as long as you are not having problem with the hardware. Well, now if something goes wrong hardware, in that case you gotta take your Samsung watch to the Samsung care and hopefully they will solve your problem for yourself. So this is what you can do, guys, to fix your problem. Hope this video is pretty useful for you. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and let us know what you think about this video, or if you're having any problem related to your Apple Watch, let us know in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again.